Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Now these are the most profitable affiliate marketing niches. But here is the problem. Competition in these niches is too big, it is too strong. So if you are beginner, chances are you probably won't make any money. So what you need to do? What is the solution? Well, you need to niche down. You need to find some sub-niche of one of these big niches where competition is not that big, it is not that strong, but it has a decent search volume. Now, I already did that. And this is the sub-niche that I actually found. Here you can see how to make money as a stay-at-home mom. Now, many moms wish to make some extra money. They don't have that much time. They need to be at home all the time. So they wish to earn some money. They wish to find some way to earn money. Now, here in this article, this woman here actually showed some ways that moms can actually use to make money working from home. So what you need to do, you need to write a similar article in your niche, in your sub-niche, and you need to publish that article on Medium, on Vocal Media, on your blog, on your website, or wherever you want. Now, next thing you need to do, you actually need to make a pin. Now, for that, we are going to use Canva. So here, when you come on Canva, you need to click here on Templates. And then here in search bar, you need to give it a prompt. So you can search something like this. For example, when I click here you can see work from home, mom, Pinterest pin. And when you scroll here you can see all the available related Pinterest templates, already made templates that you can use to make your own pin. So let me just choose one of these templates that I actually wish to use for my Pinterest pin. So let's just say, for example, I wish to use this one. I just need to click here and then click here, customize this template. And now I can customize this template, but I don't really like this image here. I need to get a better image. Now for that, I'm going to use a free AI image generator. And that image generator is LimeWire. It used to call Blue Willow, but now it is LimeWire. So when you come here and register for a free account, you need to click here on AI Studio. And then you need to choose here image because we wish to create an image. And then here you need to give it a prompt. And I will say something like this. Mom holds a baby in her arms while working in the home office. And then click here, generate. Now this is perfect prompt for this image because this is a perfect image. Mom holding a child while working from home. Perfect image because this is exactly the topic of my article, moms working from home. And they, like I said, they don't have that much time. They have to deal with the kids, and also to work from home. So this is the perfect image. Here you can see how this image actually looks. So let's click here, and when I click here open, here you can see how this image looks. Now babies are a bit distorted, but doesn't matter, okay? So I will close this, and here you can choose the dimensions. Here you can choose prompt guidance. The higher the number, the closer it is to your prompt. Here you can choose image variations. Here you can edit your prompt. Now I don't want to do anything of this. You can test this to see all the things that you can do. But to download this image, I need to click here on these three dots and then simply click here on download, and I will download this image to my desktop. Now I need to go back here on Canva, and I need to click here on uploads, and I need to click here on upload files, and I need to find that image. And this is the image, and I need to upload this image on Canva that I created in LimeWire. So now all I have to do is just drag that image here, and that is it. I will actually delete this because I don't need this. I will simply delete that. Now this I will actually move here, okay? And this I will also move here, up, and I will move this here. Okay, and also I will move these tips here and move this text here, okay? And actually I will delete these tips, and here where it says work from home, I will actually delete that, and I will give it my own hook, and I will actually move that here, and I will make it a bit wider, something like this, okay? Just to make it fit a bit, okay? And actually I will make this to be bold, so let me just highlight this and make it bold. Here you can see how this actually looks. Here you can see 10 easy ways to make money from home as a mom. Now that is a good hook. And all I have to do now is just click here on share, and then click here on download, and then click here on download again, and download this image to my desktop. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to upload this pin on my Pinterest account. So I will go on Pinterest and then click here on create, and then I will click here to upload my image. So let me just go back here on desktop, and this is the image that I created in Canva. And now this is really important. I need to optimize my Pinterest pin, and I need to add a title, so I will say something like this. And here you can see Empower Your Journey, How to Make Money as a Stay-at-Home Mom. Title includes my main keyword, and that is how to make money as a stay-at-home mom. That is my main keyword. Now here I need to add a description, and I can say something like this. And here you can also see that description also contains my main keyword and my secondary keyword, and that is make money online. My secondary keyword is make money online. Now here I need to add a link to my, in this case, Medium article. So let me just go back here. Actually, I didn't wrote this article, but I use it for the purpose of this video. I will simply add that link here, okay? Choose the board, right board. Here you need to add tags. Try to add as many tags as you can, and those tags should be as close as possible to your main keyword. And after that, all you have to do is just click here on publish and publish this pin. Now you need to publish pins like this every day. Now, Pinterest takes time. Now, why I use Pinterest? Because now Pinterest is perfect for sub-niche like this, because when we go here on SimilarWeb, we can see that 57% of Pinterest users are females, and they are also mostly between 25 and 34 years old, which means most of them are actually moms. And that is why this article here is perfect for them. This topic is perfect for Pinterest, and that is why we use Pinterest to promote topics like this. And that is really important. Many people don't think about this stuff, but you need to think about this stuff. Which social media is perfect for which topic? That is really important. And like I said, Pinterest takes time. You need to invest some time, and you need to invest some work. You need to make quite a few pins in order to start getting traffic. Now, you're probably wondering, why did I actually use LimeWire to create these images? Why I simply didn't use the image that Canva gave me? Why I didn't find image like that? Well, the reason for that is because here you can see this image has a combination of bright colors, which means people, when they see this image, it will catch their eye, it will catch their attention, and they will stop scrolling. And if you have a good hook, something like this, 10 easy ways to make money from home as a mom, they will actually click on your pin, and you will start getting free traffic from Pinterest, and you can start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.